What's up guys, this is Edward Hummeldorf and welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you a third upgrade to my rainforest bedroom with the starlight projector. As you can see, these vines are just temporary because English ivy is not exactly a tropical plant. And over there's a tiger, a toucan, a flamingo, hyacinth macaw behind the vine, blue and gold macaw, and a scarlet macaw. And just ignore the astronomy posters. I also have a crocodile. Or is it an alligator? And also here's my part of my dinosaur collection from Jurassic World. I mean, what could be more nice than a moonlit night in a tropical rainforest? Well, this wraps up this video, so don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and let me know what you think in the comments below. See you next time, and I'll see you all in another video.